What's the meaning of brotherly? Brotherly. Brotherly.
Brotherly. Brotherly. The term brotherly is an adjective that describes a relationship or behavior that is similar to that of brothers. It suggests a sense of closeness, trust, and mutual support. When someone behaves in a brotherly manner, they are exhibiting qualities such as loyalty, protectiveness, and affection towards another person. This can be seen in sibling relationships, but it can also describe how someone interacts with a close friend or even a stranger. Brotherly behavior is often associated with a sense of camaraderie, where people look out for one another and work together towards common goals.